Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to close apps running in the background on your Apple iPhone 16 and 16 Plus devices in any color which is out there. Because Apple does not have a stack shutdown services, so we have to perform this by ourselves. Day for day, year for year, month for month, you are using a lot of apps on your smartphone, of course. But if this continues a lot of time, a lot of apps are running in the background. This costs you a little bit of energy and, of course, of speed. To accelerate this a little bit, how we perform. And, of course, better to organization, because if we start an app, for example the fitness app, and we swipe up and close them because we go back to the mainstream, then the app is not shut down anymore. The app is still running in the background. This is a good fact because now we can swipe up to the middle and then we can fast navigate via the running apps in the background. So we can fast go to Television Plus, for example. We can fast go to Home and so on. But you see, that's a lot of apps still running in the background, as you can see. And if you continue this process month by month, year by year, it will be hundreds of apps maybe running in the background. To close them, really close the app, is swipe them up in this status, okay? Home screen, middle, gesture, then swipe up until nothing is there. So now all apps are closed, which was running in the background. And of course, this is a good organization thing. That means if you like to continue with a lot of apps, you can start them, stop them. Start them, stop them. Okay? Then, of course, start them, stop them, and start and stop them. As you like, no? As you like, you can start them and stop them. But they are still running. So if you like to go back to them, of course, you can push on the icon, but you can also swipe up and go fast to the app, choose fast between them for a faster organization, of course. And then each you can close and each you have to close, that it should be shut off. Then of course you can push and hold the app and navigate them over in another, and then you can make folders with that to sort it much better. And this of course will give the name, or you can give it by yourself a name if you push on it and rename it, for example. Then you can make another name to it and save this. This is a better way of organization. Or if you like to make it more better, you can delete apps completely, of course. Then you can download them again from the App Store, or you remove it from the home screen. So now this app is, for example, is not anymore on the screen available, but it is still on your Apple iPhone. For this, we go to library, and there it is. This icon, this is the app what I was shut off, and of course what I deleted from the home screen. So that it is how you can a little bit make a bigger acceleration of your iPhone 16 family device. Swipe up onto the center, swipe it up, now it's shut off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.